All right, let's talk about the new mining project that I have for you. So before I bring out any of these projects, I usually post them on my Telegram. So you can come here and then search for undervalued crypto, or you can scan this code if you see it on the screen. Undervalued crypto is going to lead you to my Telegram page where I've shared more information on these mining projects, airdrops. So before I even make videos on them, I post them there. So if you want to get in very early before I release the videos, you can join my Telegram, and that would be your advantage. Today I have a mining app that I want to talk about. And let me remind you that in my next video I'll be talking about the Pi network airdrop that is about to happen, over 300,000 worth of Pi. Anyway, but today we want to focus on this project. So I'm going to open the app right here. You can see at the top is how much I've mined so far. I'm just in it's been 28 hours since I started mining. Right at the top, you can see a couple of things. You can see 2/2. Those are my referrals. And the very top, you can see 46.3. That is how much ink I've mined. But this project is called cPen. I'm going to introduce you to their socials and we'll go through what they really stand for. But I just want to give you the metrics and give you the rundown of what is going on the screen before we look at what they're about. So cPen has transitioned to be giving out ink tokens. So they used to give out cPen tokens, but now they give out ink tokens. So when I click or tap on my wallet, you're going to see down here that we have 2 tokens. So if you are new and it hasn't been explained to you, you're going to be confused. But cPen has now transitioned to be giving out ink tokens. So if you join in not too early like myself, you're not going to have pen tokens. You're only going to have ink tokens. I'm going to talk to you about how to connect your BSC wallet, but one step at a time. So I'm going to go back home, and I do that by tapping on the top left hamburger icon, the 3 dashes. Now I'm back home, and you can see that I'm mining at a rate of 0.60 ink per hour. And then I have 20 hours and 45 minutes left to restart the mining process. I'm going to also tap on follow us, and that leads me to their X handle. They are really growing so fast. They had 860K. The last time I checked, they now have 863K. So here we see they've extended their KYC deadline, extended by 5 days to March 16th. So please get in very fast and do your KYC. I'm going to talk about KYC in this video. Okay, so they've extended that you should know. Now this project started in 2023, but I found it too late. But anyway, I'm going to do my best to try and find new projects very early because I just started this channel. So I really appreciate it if at this point you drop a like or you subscribe if you're interested in airdrops and mining projects. Okay, so I'm going to go back here. That is what they're about. Now cPen is a real world asset. Now what are real world assets? I'm going to open my Google, and right here in CoinMarketCap you can see real world asset tokens by market capitalization. Now these are simply tokens that have physical, they have a physical representation, but they also have a digital token for that physical asset. So if I should check here, and if I ask Google what are real world assets in crypto, it says they are physical assets that are represented by digital tokens. That's what they are. So this project is just one of them. Okay, all right, and they have their value on the market. So I'm going to go back into the app here, and I can tap on leaderboard, and I can see other people that are mining this all over the world. Okay, I'm going to go back to my homepage again and then tap on KYC. Now remember, you have to be mining 5 days straight before you're eligible for KYC. So it's a mandatory process for cPen token distribution. Please complete KYC to receive your token. And to begin it, you need to have a streak of at least 5 days of mining. I've already done 2 days. You can see at the top it says streaks 2. All right, so I have to do 3 more days to be eligible for KYC, where I submit my ID, get verified, and then I'm able to move my tokens. So let's go to wallet. How do we connect our BSC wallet address? Now this is how to connect our BSC wallet address. Make sure you have either Trust Wallet or MetaMask or OKX Web3. Now I use MetaMask, so I'm going to open, and right at the top I can just copy my address go back into the app and paste my address there. So that is the BSC chain. For those of you who don't know how to do that, you'd simply have to download your MetaMask wallet, save your seed phrase, and then you are given, you switch your chain from Ethereum mainnet to Binance Smart Chain. And the way you do that is to just tap the top left corner, and then you can see BNB chain Ethereum. You just switch over there and you are good to go. And just copy the address and go paste it in there. Let's say you want to refer a friend. Okay, you can just tap on the human icon. You can copy your referral link and share it with friends so that they can also have access to the app. And if you want to run an advertisement in the app, you can just click on local services. And then right here, you can choose what service you want. And there are people advertising all that they have. Okay. You can also post your local service by simply tapping on post local service and share your service, charge people for it. Another way to increase your balance is to tap on loot box. It's going to show you an ad and give you more pen points or more ink points. So for example, when I go back here, you can see I have 46.3. Now, when I go to local service and I tap on my loot box, it's going to show me an ad, the CT pool ad, which I've already shared with you guys. CT pool, how to make money or how to mine Toncoin, Telegram's Toncoin in it. So I'm going to watch this ad, and afterwards my balance of 46.3 is going to increase by some amount of ink tokens. And that is how fast you increase your tokens. And you can only do this once every hour because, of course, we don't want people to abuse it. So now that the ad is over, you can see reward granted at the top left corner. I'm going to click close, and then you'd see that it's now 58 minutes. So it's going to run down again, and I can loot box and get more points. I'm going to go back, and right here, it's going to take a while to refresh. 46.3 is going to increase from here. So I can just close my app and then re-enter to see my updated points. Remember, it's 46.3. So I open the app now and it's 49.5. So I have more points from the ad, and that's how you increase your points with this mining app, cPen network mining app. Don't forget to join the app through the link that I've shared in the video description. I hope this helped you. Subscribe for more content as I bring you new mining projects, new airdrop projects, and also remember to join my Telegram, Undervalued Crypto. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.